Page 62, God's Family. In this piece, we're sort of reviewing what we've been covering before. I'll give you a little practice of playing it. It's in 3/4 time, so we're only counting to 3. You got dotted half notes again. Remember, that gets 3 counts. The half note gets 2, the dot gets 1, 3 counts total. There's a repeat sign, so we play it twice. And now they're slurring the whole first line. And the whole second line, the phrases. These are phrases, slurs and phrases. You just connect them, but don't connect the lines. So when you finish the first line on that G, lift up so there's a little silence before you go on to the C in the next hand. Don't connect the here and we want silent. So it sounds like a fresh start there. Then when you repeat it, lift up on that C at the end before you play the C in the right hand. Don't connect the C's. Here, and then lift up and then go on. That's really about all there is here. We've had all this before. You're always welcome to ask me questions if you need to. If you have a YouTube account, you can leave a comment. Otherwise, you can tweet me. My Twitter's in the description. You can tweet me and ask a question there. Or if you want, you can simply email me, because the email, my Gmail email, is the same as the channel name. Just no spaces, just put it all together. And I think it's in the description too. So if you're getting confused. If you're really getting confused, I suggest you go back and do the book again. It helps if you don't have a teacher to go through these books multiple times. You will pick up stuff that you overlooked, or you'll remember stuff that you forgot. So let's play this together. I'm going to give us 3 counts, and you're in C position still. Here we go. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, repeat. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, off. There's a duet at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that part, and you can play the part you just did. But as usual, I need you to go up an octave. So just pretend middle C goes up an octave, and you play, instead of here, you're going to be here. And play it all up here. And we aren't going to repeat it, so we'll do it twice. I'll give us 3 counts. Let's try it out. 1, ready, go.